Paired 100 math questions that will push your brain to the limit. We'll start with easy questions, but as the test progresses, you'll be challenged with problems that even math geniuses might struggle with. Are you ready to take on the challenge? Each question will have 4 answer options, and you'll have 5 seconds to think and choose the correct answer. Additionally, there will also be true or false questions. That said, let's begin with the easy level. What is 15 plus 8? 20, 25, 23, or 28? The correct answer is option C, 23. If 3 cats eat 3 mice in 3 minutes, how long will it take 100 cats to eat 100 mice? 1 minute, 100 minutes, 3 minutes, or 33 minutes? The correct answer is option C, 3 minutes. What is half of 50? 20, 35, 30, or 25? The correct answer is option D, 25. How many sides does a triangle have? 3, 4, 5, or 6? The correct answer is option A, 3. What is an even number? A number that ends in 0, a number that cannot be divided by 3, a number that can only be divided by 1, or a number that is divisible by 2. The correct answer is option D, a number that is divisible by 2. Is the number 100 even or odd? The correct answer is option A, even. What is 90 divided by 9? 8, 9, 10, or 11? The correct answer is option C, 10. What does this symbol mean in mathematics? Addition, percentage, division, or multiplication? The correct answer is option B, percentage. If 1 kilogram of apples costs $2, how much do 3 kilograms cost? $4, $5, $7, or $6? The correct answer is option D, $6. What is 12 plus 15? 26, 27, 28, or 29? The correct answer is option B, 27. What is 9 plus 5? 15, 13, 14, or 12? The correct answer is option C, 14. What is double 8? 14, 15, 16, or 18? The correct answer is option C, 16. What is 20 divided by 4? 5, 4, 6, or 7? The correct answer is option A, 5. How many centimeters are in 1 meter? 10 centimeters, 10,000 centimeters, 1,000 centimeters, or 100 centimeters? The correct answer is option D, 100 centimeters. Which number represents a dozen? 5, 12, 15, or 20? The correct answer is option B, 12. What is the result of 5 times 5? 20, 30, 25, or 35? The correct answer is option C, 25. How many milliliters are in 1 liter of water? 100, 500, 1000, or 10,000? The correct answer is option C, 1000. If you had 4 pairs of shoes and gave 1 pair to your cousin, how many shoes do you have left? 6 shoes, 8 shoes, 4 shoes, or 3 shoes? The correct answer is option A, 6 shoes. How many minutes are there in a day? 1,440 minutes, 1,200 minutes, 1,600 minutes, or 1,320 minutes? The correct answer is option A, 1,440 minutes. If a day has 1,440 minutes, how many minutes are there in a 30-day month? 40,000 minutes, 43,200 minutes, 45,000 minutes, or 42,000 minutes? The correct answer is option B, 43,200 minutes. What is the sum of 7 plus 9? 15, 18, 17, or 16? The correct answer is option D, 16. What is the result of 4 times 9? 32, 35, 36, or 40? The correct answer is option C, 36. How many sides does an octagon have? 6, 8, 7, or 9? The correct answer is option B, 8. How many seconds are there in 1 hour? 3,600, 3,000, 2,400, or 4,200? The correct answer is option A, 3,600. Which number is missing in the sequence below? 18, 20, 22, or 24? The correct answer is option B, 20. What is 100 minus 45? 65, 60, 55, or 75? The correct answer is option C, 55. What is 7 times 3? 20, 21, 24, or 27? The correct answer is option B, 21. What is 36 divided by 6? 4, 5, 7, or 6? The correct answer is option D, 6. 12 is an even number. Is this statement true or false? The statement is true. What is 9 plus 9 minus 9? 0, 19, 18, or 9? The correct answer is option D, 9. What is 10 times 10? 10, 100, 1000, or 110? The correct answer is option B, 100. In a game, Michael gained 13 points and lost 8. How many points does he have now? 5, 21, 8, or 18? The correct answer is option A, 5. What is 30 plus 40? 70, 65, 60, or 75? The correct answer is option A, 70. Which shape has 4 equal sides? Rectangle, trapezoid, rhombus, or triangle? The correct answer is option C, rhombus. What is the opposite of 12? 24, minus 12, 0, or 12? The correct answer is option B, minus 12. Congratulations, you have completed the easy level.
I have 1K subs. Wait a minute. Is it because